right, let me take you through news coming in for the Aam Aadmi Party right ahead of elections in Delhi. The big Mahila poll push. The Aam Aadmi Party announcing 1,000 rupees for women who get that money now, but if they win, they promise to give women in Delhi 2,100. This is a clear message coming in from AAP that women to get 1,000 rupees now, 2,100 if we win. Kejriwal says Delhi women will get 2,100 rupees if Aam Aadmi Party comes to power in Delhi. We know Arvind Kejriwal, the former Chief Minister of Delhi, has already been on a roll in a way, moving around, sounding the poll bugle even before it actually starts. He's been on the ground interacting with the people, and while he speaks to a crowd, he promises that women in Delhi who get 1,000 rupees now will get 2,100 if AAP wins this upcoming assembly polls.
दोस्तों, मैंने वादा किया था कि हर महिला के अकाउंट में हर महीने हजार रुपए डलवाएंगे। आज मुझे ये ऐलान करते हुए बेहद फक्र हो रहा है कि आतिशी जी की अध्यक्षता में आज सुबह 10 बजे दिल्ली सरकार की कैबिनेट मीटिंग हुई और उस कैबिनेट मीटिंग में ये प्रस्ताव पारित कर दिया गया कि दिल्ली की हर महिला के अकाउंट में हर महीने हजार रुपए डाले जाएंगे।
All right, let me quickly cut across to Manjinder Singh Sirsa joining us on the phone line of the BJP. Mr. Sirsa, your take on the Aam Aadmi Party promising 2,100 for women in Delhi ahead of polls, Kejriwal's big Mahila outreach.
See, this is nothing. This is just a notanki, another fraud played by Arvind Kejriwal. Every time he plays a new fraud. The same cabinet was called कि जब हम पक्का करने जा रहे हैं जी, हमने सारे डीटीसी के एम्प्लॉइज को पक्का कर दिया। फिर कहा कि हमने सारे जो सुरक्षा कर्मी थे उनको पक्का कर दिया। देन ही सेड हमने सब टीचर्स को पक्का कर दिया, लेकिन आज तक नहीं कोई हुआ। So it is all fraud, nothing more than that. Now he start blaming government, he start blaming LG, he start blaming BJP. So another notanki, another day, another notanki. Till the election, you'll see us this kind of notankis every day. So this is just a notanki, another notanki played by Arvind Kejriwal. Neither he wished to give. If he would have wished to give, why should he come at the last moment when the election is due there? Then he would have announced a couple of months before. This was his commitment in this election in 2020. So if he has to fulfill it, he would have fulfilled it. He got enough time, 5 years, to fulfill this promise, but he never did so.
With the similar kind of SOPs, they've in fact managed to win 3 times in Delhi. Do you still believe that this won't work this time?
No, every time. See, fraud एक बार चलता है, 2 बार चलता, हर बार नहीं चलता. So I must say कि ठीक है, that's true. That with this notanki, he has tried to win twice, not once but twice. पर अब दिल्ली के लोग को सामने एक्सपोज हो गए हैं. The same Arvind Kejriwal who used to say कि मैं तो जी 2 कमरे के मकान में रहूंगा, living in a शीश महल, मैं सुरक्षा नहीं लूंगा. He needs a सुरक्षा from 2 states now. So actually everything which he says is just every fraud he plays on the people and the public. So public is aware of all his frauds now. It took a long time to understand Arvind Kejriwal. Yes, that's true. 10 साल लग गए उनको समझने में कितने बड़े फ्रॉड करते हैं, पर नाउ पब्लिक इज अवेयर कि रोज नई नोटंकी और नए फ्रॉड करते हैं. पीपल हैव लेफ्ट विद नो फेथ इन हिम. अगर फेथ होता अभी ऐसी नोटंकियां क्यों करते, चुनाव के दौरान क्यों करते? तो कहते मैंने अच्छे काम किए, लोग मुझे वोट डालेंगे. ये ड्रामा नोटंकी इसलिए करनी पड़ रही है क्योंकि उनको समझ में आ गया कि लोग मुझे वोट नहीं डाल रहे. नाउ इज ट्राइंग टू प्ले अनदर फ्रॉड ऑन पीपल.
ऑलराइट Ji, thank you very much for joining us on that. I'm going to quickly revisit Arvind Kejriwal, who's promised 2,100 rupees for the women of Delhi right ahead of elections. Listen in.
आज दिल्ली सरकार ने 1000 रुपए चालू कर दिए, लेकिन चुनाव 10-15 दिन में ऐलान होने वाले हैं. इस वजह से अभी चुनाव के पहले पैसा अकाउंट में जाना संभव नहीं है, लेकिन योजना लागू हो गई है. मेरे पास इस दौरान जब ये सारा हम काम कर रहे थे, कई महिलाएं आई और महिलाओं ने कहा कि जी महंगाई बहुत ज्यादा हो गई है, 1000 रुपए से काम नहीं चलेगा. तो आज मैं ऐलान कर रहा हूं, कल से रजिस्ट्रेशन चालू होगा और रजिस्ट्रेशन 2100 रुपए का होगा, 1000 रुपए का नहीं होगा.
Right, let me quickly cut across to Amit Bharadwaj, our correspondent, joining us for more on that. Amit, the BJP's Sirsa says 5 years, AAP hasn't fulfilled its promises. Why don't you elaborate? This promise for 2,100 rupees that Arvind Kejriwal has committed to giving the women of Delhi comes right ahead of elections. But does this show that at this point that the promises that they made in the past have been delivered, or is this just empty promises as per what the BJP says?
Nabila, as opposition party, the BJP needs to take that stand. But, we also have to relook at what has been the development so far. Was this part of the 2020 manifesto of the Aam Aadmi Party? The answer is no. Arvind Kejriwal was chief minister. The budget was tabled, and in the 2023-24 budget, the Aam Aadmi Party-led Delhi government had announced that they are going to give rupees 1,000 to every eligible voter of the national capital who are already not getting benefit of, women voter of national capital who are already not getting benefit of any other government scheme. So that criteria was already set. The announcement was made in the budget of 23-24 itself. Now, Arvind Kejriwal is claiming that this particular scheme would have been implemented, but he was jailed, and that is why the entire scheme got delayed. And now today, under the leadership of Atishi as the Chief Minister of Delhi, this particular scheme has been cleared by the Delhi cabinet. So rupees 1,000 financial assistance for every women voter in the national capital has been rolled out from today. Now, what Arvind Kejriwal has also done, taking a cue from Hemant Soren or for that matter Eknath Shinde in Maharashtra. He has not only announced that rupees 1,000 will be given to the women voters in the national capital, but also that if Aam Aadmi Party gets re-elected in 2025, then this amount will be increased from 1,000 to 2,100. This is something, an electoral scheme that you can say, electoral promise that Arvind Kejriwal has made today. And clearly, it will also give his campaign a sort of an edge amongst the voters of the national capital, because he also announced that the Aam Aadmi Party volunteers and workers will be reaching out to every household of the national capital, to the women specifically, and get a form signed if they want 2,100 rupees after the elections. This is a move that was adopted by Mahayuti in Maharashtra as well, and Hemant Soren in Jharkhand as well. And we have seen that in the past, this particular card has worked for every party: JMM in Jharkhand, Mahayuti in Maharashtra, and BJP in Madhya Pradesh. So AAP will be also hoping for similar return in the elections, but the big picture will be clear only once the results are out. Back to you.
And that's only until the BJP actually comes out to announce its freebies on its part. We're going to see an intense fight this elections in the national capital, Delhi, which is about a month or so away. Hectic campaigning that begins unofficially. Arvind Kejriwal promising 2,100 rupees if AAP wins for the women of Delhi.